Hi there, and welcome to our video about how kids can make money. This video is for you if you're sick of asking your parents for money and want to start making money on your own. Before you start making money, you need to know that you have to be responsible with it. This means putting some of it away, spending it wisely, and putting some of it toward your future. Now that we know that, let's talk about some ways kids can make money. One way to make money is to do odd jobs for people in your community or neighborhood. This could include things like mowing lawns, raking leaves, and walking dogs. You can also offer to watch other people's children or pets in your neighborhood. These jobs are a great way to make extra money and help your community at the same time. You can also make money by selling things you don't need or want anymore. This could be clothes, toys, or even things you made yourself. You can sell these things online through sites like eBay or Poshmark, or you can have a garage sale or take them to a consignment shop. If you're creative, you can also make money by selling things you've made yourself. This could be baked goods, crafts, or even works of art. You can sell these things online or at craft fairs and farmers markets in your area. Here are 5 specific things you can do right now to start making money as a child. Make a list of odd jobs you can do for your neighbors or community, like mowing lawns, raking leaves, or walking dogs. Then, make flyers or post about your services on social media to get the word out. Go through your closet and gather any clothes, toys, or other things you no longer need or want. Take good photos and put them on eBay or Poshmark to sell. Start making things like jewelry, artwork, or baked goods that you can sell. Find out about craft fairs and farmers markets in your area where you can sell your items. Families in your area might need a babysitter or someone to watch their pets. Spread the word about your services by making flyers or posting on social media. Start your own business, such as mowing lawns, walking dogs, or giving lessons. Find out if you need any legal paperwork or permits, and talk to your parents about your business idea. Lastly, if you want to start your own business, there are lots of ways for kids to do that. For example, you could start a lawn care business, a dog walking service, or a tutoring service. Just make sure to talk to your parents before you start a business and follow any local laws that apply to kids. Thanks for watching our video about ways kids can make money. We hope that these tips and ideas helped you and that you're excited to start making money on your own. Don't forget to save some of your money, spend it wisely, and invest in your future. Don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and subscribe for more money tips. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.